Sadly, we have the update from five-time Arena Cross defending champion Kyle Peters, and this is coming straight from the Vital MX Instagram saying, quote, five-time and defending AMA Arena Cross champion Kyle Peters will not be on the starting line come January 3rd for the round 5 of the championship, nor any further rounds in this year's series. During a slight error at the fourth round of the latest championship in Boise, Peters went a bit too long into the pocket of a landing in a move all too familiar with most. The large G out resulted in contact between his head and the handlebars, and the aggressive motion let out a pop. Since then, Peters has faced numbness through the left side upon further evaluation by doctors. Multiple displaced discs and hardware issues in the previously injured region have been found, and surgery is set to follow. Now, Peters had a quote saying, honestly, things could be worse. While physically the experience I've had since Boise has been worrying, I'm glad to have some answers from doctors and a path moving forward. As for my racing career, this isn't the end. It's just another small detour. I will be back racing, pushing myself, and chasing the sixth title soon enough. Thank you to my family, friends, sponsors, and fans for their support in the past, present, and future. I'll be back. Obviously, this comes from a 2022 injury where he had fractures in the C5 and C6 vertebrae, and also six fractures, or six vertebrae fused from the C4 to the T1. So this sucks. That's big. You never want to see anybody get injured, but this is to a level where it's almost like, paralyzing kind of. It's not a broken arm. It's not a broken wrist. You'll get some plates, or a collarbone. You'll get some plates and you'll be back on the bike in, a week. No, this is like serious. When you start talking about fused vertebrae and numbness in half of your body, it's it's pretty bad. And hopefully, knock on wood, like you said, this is something that you can, or he will be back from. But you never know. It might be one of those things where the surgery and the recovery time might just be one of those, I'm done. You could fully see him just saying, you know what, this is enough. I don't need to be, I don't need to push my luck and possibly be paralyzed for the rest of your life to try and win another championship. And I don't know. It's one of those things. It's racing. I mean, people get injured all the time. It's really bad. Just unlucky. You never want to see anybody get hurt, especially something like that. Just a freak thing. You go a little bit too far in a jump, smash your head into a bar, and then, you know, injuries that you had years ago come back. And I mean, you gotta say, for him to be even racing with six fused vertebrae is pretty big. Um, I don't know. Tell me, comments below. You guys let me know though. Are you watching Arena Cross? Have you been watching it this year because of Freezy in it? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.